Okay, it is April 1st, and I'm having my first animal-based meal. So what I have are 2 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon, almost a whole avocado, and a lot of greens, which I'm happy about. I lost sleep over this meal last night, and woke up with just a real sadness and anxiety over eating all this again. I remember what it tastes like. It was good. It tasted good. But I also know what went into making it. So I don't even know where to start. I'll eat it and I'll finish it. But it is hard. Okay. I'll show you my plate when I'm done. Okay, so it's gone. I ate it all. It was tough, and it took me probably about 20-30 minutes to eat it. It tasted good. I'm not gonna lie, it did. Um, the bacon was the hardest because it looks like muscle, and I know it came from a live being. The last 3.5 years, I ate my food with a clear conscience. I didn't have, my food didn't suffer to get on my plate. And I think once you know how your food, what goes on with animals, you can't, it is so hard to sit here and eat this. I don't want this to become easy. I worry that I will become complacent again with what I eat. I don't want it to become easy to eat animals because that's what everybody's doing. This was hard. At one point, I did cry. But, and you know, some people might think that's funny. But it's not. Not to me. So, I'm glad it's over with. And I'll have a break from this for a few hours till I have to eat again. But, yeah. So, till the next time.